I want to talk to you a little bit about background checks and what your rights are when a background check report is performed on you. Under the Fair Credit Reporting Act, a consumer report includes a report about you that touches upon your creditworthiness, credit standing, and your propensity to pay your bills. But it also includes information regarding your character, your general reputation, your personal characteristics, and your mode of living. Thus, information that's on a background check is actually covered by the Fair Credit Reporting Act. Now, when you go for employment and a background check is going to be performed on you, you have certain rights. First of all, an employer or potential employer must get your express written consent to perform a background check on you. That is, they have to have you sign something. And what they have you sign cannot have any extra language on it, such as something that waives your rights under the law or tells you that you can't sue somebody if this information is inaccurate and it causes you loss of employment. If the employer is determining that they may take adverse action against you, that is, that they may deny you the employment or promotion, then they have to provide you a copy of the report, let you know ahead of time, and tell you what your rights are under the Fair Credit Reporting Act and give you an opportunity to correct the problem. If the employer is going to take adverse action against you, that is, they're not going to hire you or you're not going to get a promotion or a raise based upon your background check, then they have to notify you in writing of this fact. They have to tell you who the background check company was that they utilized to get this report, and they have to tell you what your rights are to dispute this report under the Fair Credit Reporting Act. Your rights don't end there. Under the Fair Credit Reporting Act, if a credit reporting company reports inaccurate information, you have the right to force them to conduct a reasonable investigation into the inaccuracy of what they're reporting. Thus, you can report a dispute to this credit reporting bureau, whoever it may be that provided the background check, and demand that they conduct an investigation. They have to investigate what you're disputing and report back to you those results within 30 days. If they're unable to correct the report and they continue to report inaccurate information about you, and that inaccurate information causes you a loss of job, a loss of promotion, or loss of raise, you may be able to recover under the Fair Credit Reporting Act. And we here at SmithMarco handle Fair Credit Reporting Act cases.